Hey Glam Fam, what's up? So today we are doing a full face tutorial, except my brows because I already did. Products that my mom, I love you mom, has purchased for me. Also, this is a wig and I will leave the link to the wig in the description box below. My mom did not purchase this wig for me, but she was the first one to find it. I love it. This baby has minimal shedding. If you're already subscribed, you know I love you. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that post notification bell so you always know when I upload another video. As always, I will leave all the products in the description box below. Without any further ado, let's insert that intro right now. Let's do this.
I just wanna show you off. I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
First things first, I'm pinning my hair back. Well, my wig back. I'm using this Optical Illusion Primer by Urban Decay. My mom did not buy this, but we bought it together. And then I'm pouncing it in with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Then I'm going to use this Too Faced Sculpting Concealer in the shade Honey just to spot correct and kind of like blend it in like foundation. Then I'm going in with the Too Faced Sculpting Concealer in the color Light Neutral for those under eyes. And I'm always going to look up while I'm doing that to avoid creasing. And I'm also going to use it as eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going in with this Naked Skin Shape Setter by Urban Decay. I am going to use the darkest shade, and then I'm going to contour under my contour. Now onto the Subculture palette that I just got from my mom. Taking this Morphe blending brush, I'm going back and forth with my transition shade. I will leave the shade names down below. Then I'm going to take my Morphe M433 crease brush and go in with that deeper color. Then I'm taking a clean fluffy brush, the same one, and going back and forth so there's no harsh lines. Then I'm going into a deeper shade so I can make that outer V and crease look more pronounced. And the lid color, oh my god, how gorgeous is this shade. I know I'm going to wear a red lip, so I want to make sure my eyes are very like warm toned. Then I'm going into this color on the top left. It's like very duochrome. That's going to be my blinding brow bone. I love this. You have to get this palette. Now I'm just going to wipe away any bake left over. I didn't really bake, but I want to make sure there's no powder. I'm going to take this contoured angle brush, go into the deepest shade in the palette and contour those cheekbones so that my face looks slimmer. Then I'm going to go over it with a lighter shade so that I can blend it out so it doesn't look so muddy and that it looks natural. And this does blend out beautifully. Then I'm going in with this e.l.f. flat brush just to make it even that much more natural. I love my James Charles palette that my mom got me. I'm going to go in with the blush color. It's really an eyeshadow color, but I mixed two shades together to make a blush. And then I'm just going to blend the contour and the blush together to make it look like I'm just naturally rosy. Now I'm snatching my nose and I'm going to use this beautiful Colourpop highlighter, Evil Queen. I'm going to bring that down the center of my nose to really make that nose look snatched. Now I'm going in with Smashbox Superfan Mascara, and I am going to add this Bedescu spray before I add highlighter. Let it dry, take a few selfies, jam out a little bit, and then wait for it just to dry a tad so my highlighter is more beautiful. I'm going back in with that same Colourpop Evil Queen highlighter. Look at that glow. Then I'm going to go in with this Evil Queen lipstick. It is the perfect red. And then I'm going to top it off with the gloss that comes with it. Well, you know, that's supposed to go with it. And it's such a beautiful glitter shiny gloss from Colourpop. Taking my hair down and we are done. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. So good. The wig, totally affordable, has a perfect parting line. I will leave the information for this wig down below. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. I will leave all the information in the description box below, even the top if you think it's cute, if you'd like it. All right, I love you guys. Peace.